Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Up Ideas. I am here to help you find the perfect wedding dress of your special day. Your wedding day is one of the most important dresses you will ever wear, and it's important that you feel confident and beautiful in it. With so many styles and designs to choose for, it can be. I am here to give you some idea and inspiration from the traditional ball gowns to modern sleek design. There is a mating less of there to match your personal taste and style. I have put together a collection of different styles and classic elegance so that every bride can find something that shows her perfectly. Each dress is made from luxurious fabric such as lace. These details will add a touch of glamour to your look and make you feel like a true princess on your special day. While your dress is a counterpiece of your bridal look, accessories like jewelry and hairpiece can take your look to the next level. You can choose for a traditional look or flower for a bohemian vibe. The possibilities are endless, and adding the right accessories will give your dresses a personal touch. It is important to remember that running dresses can be expensive, but I have also include some more option that still look stunning. The key is to kind dresses that make you feel amazing. Many much it. One of the best thing about dresses is that they come in a range of size so every bride can find the perfect fit. If you can't find what you are looking for, many designers customization to make your dresses truly unique. I hope this video has given you some ideas and inspiration for your wedding dresses. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding place. Choosing the perfect dresses for the special day can like a tasking, but fear not. I have to written a beautiful ring idea that will inspire you and help you find the count of your dreams. When it comes to garden dresses, there is a style of every personal taste and preference, whether you give to world classic designs of something more bohemian and furry. There is a dress up there that will perfectly suit your style. For these want to make a grand and feel like statement is the perfect choice. The not will leave everyone in all is you will turn the is a idea I am sharing with you have been famous celebrities, fashion bloggers as well, so you can be confident that they are trend and will make you look stunning your special day. Remember, your wedding reset should reflect your personal style and make you feel so. Feel free to get creative and have fun with your choosing. I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Is it will help me create more content like this, and if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. You carefully selection of dresses that get to various style and performance, whether you learn towards a classic look or perfect something more. There is a dress out there that will match you taste for seeking a classic. The timeless living dresses, these sets and sense of detail, a touch of making you feel like a true sleek shaped dresses with modern twist on traditional, showing your figures while adding on touch of low. If you wear bohemian, you will love the elegant beauty of long dresses with delicate detail. These dresses are perfect for outdoor wedding sense of romance. Stay tuned for amazing design in coming years. Your dream gown is out there waiting for you, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you. I wish you can day filled with love and happiness. I am absolutely fired to have here today is we dive into one of the most serial accept of any wedding. The wedding dress. Your wedding day is an undeniably one of the most special and memorable day of your life, and is a day when you want to excite confidence and share beauty. The wedding dress has the power to make all the difference. That is why I am here. I am excited to offer you on inspiration and ideas to finding your dreaming care when embarking on the journey of choosing. The first thing to consider is your personal style, whether you yourself in a traditional bond than modern sleep design that with your taste. One of the most wonderful aspects of our wedding dresses is the size that everybody can find best there. If you can't find what you are looking for, many designers offer customization opinion. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding place, choosing the perfect dresses for the special day. Like written, when it comes to garden dresses, there is a style for every personal taste and performance, whether you are give towards classic and designs or perfect something more bohemian and free spirited. There is a dress up there that will perfectly suit your style for these to make a grand and feel like royal statement is the perfect choosing the voluminous not will leave everyone is all you will turn the is I am sharing with you have been famous celebrities, fashion bloggers as well, so you can find confident that they are trend on will make you look stunning your special day. Remember your wedding reset should reflect your personal style and make you feel incredible. So feel free to get creative and sporting video your carefully selection of dresses that get various style and performance, whether you learn towards a classic look, performance something more There is a dress out there that will match you taste of these seeking a classic with your taste. One of the most wonderful aspects of our wedding dresses is they are imagine size that everybody can find best there. Everybody. Your wedding reset should reflect your personal style and make you feel